Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Some of the rich girls has arrogant mindset. I don't know why they behave like that. Anyways guys, you will acquire new lesson from my today's story. Let's jump into the story. Why do some girls like this? Once a poor boy fell in love with a rich man daughter. Boy loved her a lot, so one day he proposed to her. Girl rejected him by saying, "Listen, your monthly salary is even less than my daily expenses. How can I live with you? How could you even thought of coming to me and ask me? I can never ever love you. Forget about me and go find someone of your level to get engaged." Even after knowing girls thought he still loved her, and after getting rejected, boy left but couldn't forget her. 10 years later, they stumbled into each other in a shopping mall. Girl recognized him and said, "Hey, you, how are you? I am married now. He is very smart. And do you know how much my husband's salary? It's $20,000 per month. Can you beat that?" Boy eyes got wet hearing those words from same person. A few seconds later, her husband came around. Before girl could say a word, seeing the guy her husband said, "Sir, you are here. You have met my wife. This is my boss. I am one those working for his $100 million project." Husband said, looking at his wife. Husband continued, "He is very good person, and do you know, my dear, my boss loved a girl, but he couldn't win her heart. That's why he remained unmarried. How lucky would that girl have been if she married my boss now? Nowadays, who would have loved someone so much?" Girl got totally shocked, but couldn't say a word after that. Life is too short, so don't be too arrogant and proud of yourself and look down on others' current situation. Things change, time change. Don't underestimate anyone, because everyone can have a great future. Okay buddies, we will see our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.